up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh and this is a Saturday video, so we do things a little bit more chill on Saturdays. I got a new juicer and I'm really excited. I literally already, my dog makes so much noise. I already unboxed it, so here's that portion because that was on a completely different day, and then I don't know what happened. Oh, my vegetables weren't good, so I had to buy new vegetables. But yeah, here's that. I bought a new juicer and we are going to unbox it and use it. It's kind of late right now, 6 o'clock. I got the Hamilton Beach Good Thinking Juice Extractor. I got this because it had like 30 or 40,000 reviews online. I don't even know if I'm in frame. Like, I can't see myself right now. I forgot what I was talking about. Oh, this had like 30 or 40,000 reviews on it on Amazon. So I was like, let me just, you know, get this really quick and see how it is. So it comes with these like probably instructions on like how to use it, how to clean it, all that. So you do have a brush here. Hold on, I'm gonna have to put this on the floor. This is a juicer, very exciting. So obviously I'm gonna have to like wash this stuff before I use it really quick. And I'm a little shocked that this is all this came with. I thought it came with like a cup to put the juice into. Where does the juice even come out of? Oh, right here. To remove strainer basket, turn the strainer bowl upside down. Well, how do you remove the bowl? Okay. Okay. I just want to like clean everything. Obviously not this part, so that I can boost some stuff. This is what I was using previously to juice my fruits and veggies. And let me tell you, this thing is so hard to clean. It's just, first of all, there's so many different parts. Not really, I guess there's only like 4. And it actually juices really well, but it takes super, super long. Okay, so now that you guys know what kind of juicer I have, let's get into it. I saw a hack on somebody else's channel where they put a bat in here. Let's just kind of go for it. I do want to prep everything, and honestly I'm a little nervous and I'm gonna cut this part out. It looks different than it did, but I've never cut a pineapple before. So is this the knife that you use? Hold on, let me YouTube how to cut a pineapple. I feel like they're gonna use this knife.
I'm gonna show you the easiest way to cut a pineapple.
Okay.
You want to cut off the top and the bottom of the pineapple. Then stand the pineapple up, and you're going to slice it straight down the center, creating 2 equal halves.
Oh.
Then you're going to slice each half of the pineapple in half.
I'm too afraid to like be holding stuff. This is working really well. Like way better than I expected. I'm a chef, yo. I'm sorry, I just got like super excited for a second because what? Neighbors. It's pretty nice. We're gonna check the juice first, see how much is like pulpy. I really need to buy a strainer. First time using this, I mean, I'm really happy. Like, what? Wow. I was a little worried because I saw some reviews that were like, it's a smoothie maker. No, this is making green juice. This is making green juice. I'm so happy. This was so much easier and so much faster than my other one. I definitely could see myself using this every day. So it's a completely different day, but this is my second time using this juicer and I really like it. I mean, I made 2 juices today. One, I have some pineapple juice that I'm gonna pour in here because I just used the rest of my pineapple. I really like the juicer. I'm happy that I have like an actual juicer now and not just that little tiny one that connects to my KitchenAid, because that one was really such a pain to use. But if you guys like this video, be sure to let me know down below. If you guys have any juice recipes that you think I should try, that you think I would like, let me know again down below. I will see you guys on Tuesday for whatever apartment tour we do. And yes, that's it. And I hope that you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.